Hi everyone, it's Norma. So I have a Halloween haul. It's from several different places: Dollar Tree, Michael's, Home Depot, Dollar General. I don't know where else, but as I go over it, I will let you know. So the first thing that I want to start out with is my Frankenstein soap dispenser. Isn't this adorable? My little niece, she's 3, she's my goddaughter. Her name is Chloe, and she saw this at the grocery store and she thought of me, so this is what she got me for my birthday. I think it's adorable. The next thing I got was this gold skeleton. This was from the grocery store, from H-E-B. If you're in Texas, you know what H-E-B is. So I thought it was really pretty. It was, I think it was like $5. Pretty good deal. And the next thing I got was from the Dollar, it's a coffin. It's from the Dollar Spot or Dollar, whatever they call it now. It's really cute. My niece, again, Chloe, picked this out. And then I got this adorable little gnome, also from Target. It lights up, I think. Oh, it doesn't light up anymore. Oh, it lights up, you just can't see it. It's so cute. Then, I think this is the only thing I got from Dollar General. Most of the stuff I got was from Amazon and Dollar Tree. So, but I got this boo sign. It was $5. And then I got this inflatable. This was from Home Depot. My niece picked it out. We went shopping together. Okay, so those are all the single stuff. The rest of this, it's quite a bit from each spot. So, I got these flowers from Dollar General. Not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. They were pretty. I got little baby skeletons. Whole cup full of them. And this is for a craft. It's supposed to be, I think it's from Pottery Barn, some kind of a pumpkin doodad. But I got all this, and I'll try to include it in a short if I do end up making it, because sometimes I buy crafts in and then I don't do it. This was also from Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Tree Plus, I think is what they call it. So it was $5. It lights up, but I gotta put batteries in it. Three batteries. Then this is for another craft. I'm gonna make yarn pumpkins and hang them on the rope. It's my plan. Let's see what happens. Oh no. A spider web. This cute little sign. Candle holders. Now I gotta go buy candles. This like creepy cloth. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I got enough stuff to put something together. I also got spiders and a ghost. One of the Dollar Trees that I went to was it's a combination store. It had a Family Dollar, half of it was Family Dollar and half of it was Dollar Tree, but it was kind of all mixed together, so I'm not sure. I guess this would be considered Family Dollar, the Family Dollar part. I don't know. It was all mixed together, but regardless, I got it at Dollar Tree, sort of. But it's so cute. So we'll see where I put that. The same. The rest of the items are the same. I got it from the combination store. So these little witch's boots, which I guess you can put some candy in here or something. We'll see. I think this was from the Dollar Tree part of it. And then this was $5. So I don't know, Dollar Tree Plus or Family Dollar. But they're cute. Okay, so then my next place that I got things was Amazon, because it's it's so much easier to sit on your sofa and shop online. So I got quite a bit of stuff, but the first thing that I got were these pillow covers. Now, I don't usually buy pillows because my dog likes to chew on them. You put them on the couch, she's on the couch, and she will chew them. So I don't usually buy them, but I did find another place in the house that I could put pillows, so I was so excited to buy them, and I bought these. I thought they were a great price, but then when I got them, they're just the covers. I didn't realize you actually had to buy the pillows. I just don't buy pillows, so I didn't know. So then a couple of days later, I ordered the inserts, the pillow inserts. So that's what these are, but I haven't opened them. So then I ordered these shoes. You can't really tell online, so I guess buying online has its pros and cons, but I thought these were so cute. They look like actual witch's boots online, but then when I got them, they're just stuffed. They're still cute, so I know where I'm gonna put these. The next thing I ordered were these bottles. One is gonna be for hand soap, one is gonna be for dishwashing liquid at my sink. And then on my Cricut, I'm gonna put, like, I don't know, witch's poison, something. I'll come up with something cute. Or if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you think I should put on them. Dishwashing liquid, hand soap, anything cute, any cute ideas. And then I got these little mini posable skeletons. It came with 4. I'll actually leave links to everything that I got on Amazon because they're still in my shop. It'll be easy, so I'll leave the links. I'm not an influencer or anything, but I can leave the links. These are cute. I don't remember how much I paid for anything, so it'll be in the links, but there was 4 of them. 2 of them, we already have them on display. So I got this black and white striped table runner for my table. Ew. I'm not sure how I feel about this. No wonder it was so cheap. Oh well. I guess you really won't be able to tell. Hopefully. But yeah, there's that. I got these crows. I don't know if you can see them. They're little crows. I think there was 6 of them. 6 of them came in a package, so I really didn't need any more pumpkins, but I ordered more pumpkins. They're cute. I like the ones with the polka dots. And then the next thing I got was for my 2-tiered tray, because that was a disaster when I tried to decorate for fall, but it came with a bunch of little things. This cute little gnome, 31 haunted house, and then this little haunted sign. It says haunted this way, and then it came with these little beads with the little ghost on it. The ghost says boo, but he doesn't want to turn. Oh, there he is. Boo. Okay. And then the last thing I got from Amazon were these little jars, and it has little rope to put around the top. They all came with cork tops. There's a clear, amber, blue. I'm going to try to take them out. And then this last one it's a little bit shorter. Oh, how cute. It's green. This is a pretty color. Okay, so there's that. I feel like I got more stuff from Amazon, but I guess that's it. So that was Amazon. And the last stop was Michael's. I actually ended up getting this online because a lot of the stuff that I wanted was sold out. There was one particular picture that I wanted that I just couldn't find in any of the stores. It was only available online. So I ordered that online. I got this Love is Eternal. It's a little book. I got a sign that says even in death. I got this garland that's all tangled. Ooh. Oh, got it. Okay. This cute little garland. It's like stuffed. It's not actual beads. Oh, this poor little pumpkin. And then it has pumpkin. Poor little ghosts. They're all like crammed in together. So cute. This is really cute. And then I got a unicorn skeleton. His head pops off real easy, so whatever. And I got a bag of skeletons. No, a bag of skulls. And then these little bitty spiders. I don't know if you can see them. So cute. Oh, it won't focus. I'll take a picture of it and post it. But they're so cute. I wish I got more of these. They didn't have them in the store. And I only ordered one package of 2. But they're really cute, and they kind of, because their legs are so spidery, they kind of just clip onto everything. But cute. And then my favorite thing from Michael's, which is, I was so disappointed because I couldn't find it in the store, and so excited when I found it online, was the skeleton picture. Oh, I think it is just so sweet. I think it is so sweet. So I'm going to put this in my entryway. Okay, so that was everything I got. It felt like I got a lot more, but I guess that was all that I got. I still have 3 bins out in the garage that I need to go through, which I don't remember what's in there, and I probably should have done that before. I should have probably gone through that before I started spending money on cute stuff like this. But it is what it is. I did what I did. Hopefully I can combine everything and make something cute. But I will be filming that video for next week, so I hope you come back and join me for that and see how I decorated for Halloween.